Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I took this tacky tinsel tree from Dollarama and put my own spin on it with some faux fur and some pom-poms and transformed it to this. So first, you're going to remove the tinsel from the tree. It was very easy to do. I just ripped it off by hand. And then this is the fur that I also purchased at Dollarama. I pre-measured the strips. I think I used about 5 strips. Pre-measured them, cut them down, and then apply them one by one, starting at the base. Guys, I want to apologize for this really bad angle. I didn't realize that this is how it was filming, but I do adjust the camera a few minutes into the video. So I started at the bottom and then I worked my way up, and for each additional piece of fur that I placed, I kind of overlapped the initial one. Also, when you're applying it, you want to make sure to keep your seams all in the back, just so you have one really clean, perfect side, and then the back is not so perfect. Didn't look so bad, but it's not ideal. So I just used my glue gun and some Gorilla Glue to secure the back ends of the fur to the actual plastic tree. I didn't use too much glue. That way next year, if I want to do a different kind of theme, this will be really easy to just take apart. So I did end up needing to use one additional package of fur. Not really a package, I just needed it for one strip, but one package is definitely not enough. So if this is something you're looking to do, I would suggest picking up at least 2 packages. I believe they were $3 each at the local Dollarama. So here you have the front side of the tree. It looks pretty good, and then the back side, which is not as seamless, and here my camera angle changes, so that's a little bit better. So this Pom Pom Garland is something I picked up at Dollarama a while back. I had it in my craft drawer. I applied it to the tree just using a dab of glue from the glue gun to the very top, and then just swirled it around the length of the tree to the bottom, and then applied another little dab of glue. Again, I didn't want to overdo it on the glue, just in case I change my mind and want to make a different one next year out of the same cone. And we are almost done. I just wanted to apply a wooden star to the top. I recently got a scroll saw that I'm just learning to use. So I printed out a star design, and then I just used the scroll saw to cut it. Then I dry brushed some white paint on it. I kind of wanted to give it a kind of a rustic look. So I left some spots exposed and didn't do like full coverage kind of look. So if you don't have a scroll saw, you could always make a star out of some thick cardboard, like from a cardboard box, and then just paint it out. Or another option would be picking up a little star ornament from the dollar store. I've seen those there as well. They also have in the wooden section some wooden stars available there as well. So there are different options. You might not want to add a star, you might want to add something else to the top. Just use your imagination. Once that was dry, just expose the top peak of the plastic from the tree, put a dab of glue from the glue gun, and then just applied the star to that plastic part and kind of just held it in place until it felt secure. There you have it, such a simple, quick, and easy DIY, all with Dollarama supplies. I can't wait to see how it goes with my Christmas decor. Thanks again for watching. Like and subscribe for more.